Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will talk about strings in JavaScript. There are two ways to create string in JavaScript. As you know, strings are primitive values in JavaScript, but string can also be defined as an object. You can create a string using the new keyword. I'll declare a variable S. I'll write the new keyword and capital S string, and inside these parentheses, I'll write the string. So by this way, you create a string using the new keyword. I will display the variable S using the document.write method. I'll save this script. I'll open index.html file. So you can see this string is created using the new keyword. As you are already familiar that you can create string inside single or double quotes, I will declare another variable single s, and I will write the string inside these double quotes. You can also write the string inside the single quotes, but I will go with double quotes like this way. I'll use document.write to display this variable s. I'll save this script. I'll refresh the browser. So this string is created using the single or double quotes. Do not create string using the new keyword because it will complicate your code and it will slow down the execution of a program. Next, I will show you how you can add special characters to your string. I will declare a variable myString. I will assign it a value. This is vanilla ice cream. Now, if you want to add double quotes around this vanilla word, how you will do it? For example, if I add double quotes around this vanilla word, it will generate an error. This will generate an error. If I save this script, I refresh the browser, so you can see it has generated an error. Unexpected identifier at line 15. So to add a special character, you add it like this way. You add a backslash and then the special character, backslash and a special character. This will add a double quote around this vanilla word. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script. I'll refresh the browser. I think I didn't display the value of my string. Let me use document.write method and I will display the myString value. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script. I'll refresh, so you can see it has added quotes around the vanilla word. I will add a semicolon at this statement. You can add the single quotes around the word the same way. Like, I will copy this line of quotes. I will replace the double with single quote. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script again. I'll refresh and it will add a single quote around the word. What if you want to add this slash before and after this word? You have to simply replace the special character with the required character like this way and this way. I'll save this script. I'll refresh the page. So it will add a backslash before and after the word. So by this way you can add some special characters to a string. Now I will discuss some properties and methods of string object. I'll create some space. I'll create a string myQuestion. I'll assign it a value. Where do you live? You can find the length of a string using the length property. I'll use document.write to display the length of this string. I'll write myQuestion variable dot length. This length property will return the length of this string. I'll save this script. I'll refresh the browser, so it returns the length of a string. You can also find the index of a word using the index of method. I'll copy this line of code, I'll paste it here. Index of. To find the index of a word, you use the index of method, and inside these parentheses you write the word for which you are looking the index of. I'll save this script. I'll refresh, so it will return the index of u, which is at 9. You can also find or extract a substring from this string using the substring method. I'll use document.write method. If you want a substring from the myQuestion variable, I'll write myQuestion, then substring method, and inside these parentheses I'll write the starting and ending index. The starting index is 6 and the ending index is 12. Let us see the result of this substring. I'll save this script. I'll refresh, so it returns the do you words. It starts at index 6 and ends at index 12. You can also replace a string inside a string using the replace method. Like myQuestion.replace, and inside this you add the targeted word like leave, and replace the leave with go. I'll add a line break. I'll also add this line break to the above line of code. Okay. So this replace method will replace live inside this string with the go value. I'll save this script. I'll refresh, so it has replaced live with the go. You can also use the uppercase method to convert a string into uppercase. I'll say myQuestion dot to uppercase. It will convert the string into uppercase letters. I'll save this script. I'll refresh, so it has converted a string into uppercase. The same way you can convert a string into a lowercase using the lowercase method. myQuestion to lowercase method. It will convert a string into a lowercase. I'll refresh, so you can see it has converted the whole string into a lowercase. You can also find a character at some specific index using the character at method. I'll use myQuestion variable dot, I'll use the character at 2. It will return the character at index 2. I'll save this script. I'll refresh the page, so you can see the character at index 2 is E. It starts from 0, W is at 0, H is at 1, and E is at index 2. So in this video I covered about the string, how you can create a string using the new keyword, and how you can create string using single and double quotes, and how you can write some special characters inside a string, and some properties and methods of string.